There are moments in a gardener's life that feel like pure magic. For me, it wasn't a sudden bloom, but a quiet transformation in my pepper plants. I switched from bottled feed to a homemade compost tea, and within weeks the change was undeniable. The leaves turned a deep, glossy green, and the stems thickened with new vigour. It wasn't a quick chemical surge, but a deeper, more lasting vitality. I realised I wasn't just feeding plants, I was feeding the living world beneath the soil. The secret? Billions of invisible helpers, bacteria, fungi and microorganisms. They transform organic matter into nutrients plants can absorb, building a living soil foundation. Synthetic fertilizers bypass this community, giving a quick fix but not lasting health. My compost tea was a probiotic for the soil, creating a resilient ecosystem. The results spoke for themselves: bigger, tastier peppers and healthier plants. The lesson? The best gardening comes from working with nature, not against it. Nurture the soil's web of life and your plants will thrive. This simple truth changed my approach forever. Making compost tea is easier than you think. Start with a 5-gallon bucket and add 4 spadefuls of mature, earthy compost. This is your starter culture, packed with beneficial microbes. Add a cup of unsulfured molasses to fuel the bacteria. For fungi, toss in a handful of rolled oats or a splash of fish hydrolysate. Fill the bucket with non-chlorinated water. Let tap water sit 24 hours if needed. Drop in an aquarium pump with an air stone and let it bubble for 24 to 36 hours. Aeration is crucial. It keeps good microbes thriving. When it smells earthy and sweet, strain out the solids. Dilute the tea until it's the colour of weak tea, about 1 part tea to 10 parts water. What you have now is a living fertilizer, ready to boost your plants. Simple, natural and powerful. Garden centres push synthetic fertilizers for quick results, but there's a hidden cost. These chemicals give plants a jolt, but weaken soil life and create dependency. Over time, soil becomes compacted and lifeless, and plants need more chemicals to survive. My compost tea works differently. It feeds the soil, not just the plant. Billions of microbes break down organic matter, unlock nutrients and improve soil structure. This creates resilient living soil that supports healthy, self-sufficient plants. Chemical fertilizers feed the plant and starve the soil. Compost tea does the opposite. The result? Stronger roots, healthier growth and natural resistance to pests. Build your garden for the long term. Let nature lead the way. Using compost tea is simple and rewarding. For containers, drench the soil with diluted tea once a week during peak growth. This delivers microbes right to the roots, building a healthy partnership. As a foliar spray, mist leaves in the morning or evening to boost disease resistance and nutrient uptake. In garden beds, use a watering can to apply tea around vegetables and perennials. Drench new beds before planting to reduce transplant shock and encourage strong roots. Always water the soil first, if it's dry, so the tea soaks in deeply. Avoid applying to parched soil. Moisture helps microbes reach the root zone. With each application, you're building a living, resilient ecosystem. It's the easiest way to give your plants a natural edge. To maximize compost tea's benefits, pair it with organic mulch. After drenching the soil, add a thick layer of compost, leaf mold or well-rotted manure. Mulch insulates roots, suppresses weeds and feeds soil life as it breaks down. It also helps soil retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. Water deeply, but less often. This encourages deep, resilient roots. The results: healthier leaves, stronger growth, and more abundant harvests. In fruiting plants, you'll see more flowers and fruit set. This natural system builds year after year, improving soil and plant health. Compost tea brings life, mulch brings food and shelter, and deep watering brings resilience. Together, they create a thriving, sustainable garden. That's the true reward for any gardener.